You're browsing Etsy, you spot a competitor or listing that catches your eye, and you think, I want to know more about that. What tags are they using? How well is this listing actually doing? Is that keyword worth paying attention to? But instead of checking, you'd only have to stop what you're doing, open eRank, search again, and try and find the same shop or listing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do all that with one click directly from Etsy, whether you're looking at a shop, a listing, or even a search results page. Once it's set up, it becomes one of the fastest ways to research Etsy without breaking your flow. The eRank shortcut button is designed to remove friction when you're researching on Etsy. Instead of manually searching for a shop, listing, or keyword in eRank, the shortcut looks at where you are on Etsy and opens the most relevant eRank tool automatically. So the same button behaves differently depending on context. If you're on a shop page, it takes you straight to that shop's overview in eRank. If you're on a listing page, it opens the listing audit for that exact listing. And if you're on an Etsy search results page, it opens up the keyword tool for the term you searched. The key idea here is that you don't have to decide which tool to use first. The shortcut button does that for you. And setting up the shortcut button is a one-time thing, and it only takes a few seconds. Inside your eRank account, you'll find it under the Tools menu as the shortcut button. From there, you simply click and drag it onto your browser's bookmark bar. Once it's there, you don't need to think about it. The button just sits in your bookmark bar, ready to use at any time you're browsing Etsy. And now that it's installed, let's look at how it works in practice, starting with the competitor shops. One of the most useful ways to use the shortcut button is when you're looking at another seller's shop on Etsy. Instead of copying the shop name and searching for it later, you can click the shortcut button while you're on that shop page and jump straight into their shop overview in eRank. From here, you can see the key details, like how long the shop has been open, total sales, and their top listings and tags. If it's a shop you want to keep an eye on, you can also track it as a competitor with one click. This makes competitor research much more natural. You can investigate a shop the moment it catches your attention without interrupting what you're doing. The shortcut button is just as useful when you're looking at an individual listing. If you're on a listing page and something stands out and you have to know more, you can click the shortcut button and go straight to the listing audit for that exact listing on eRank. This lets you see useful details like the listing's age, views, and tags, and also gives you quick options to track the shop or save interesting keywords to a keyword list. It's a really easy way to turn casual browsing into research, because you can investigate a listing the moment it catches your eye without losing your place on Etsy. The shortcut button also works when you're browsing Etsy search results. If you search for something on Etsy and want to know more about that keyword, you can click the shortcut button directly from the search page. It takes you straight to the keyword tool in eRank for the exact term that you searched. From there, you can quickly see the search trend, competition, and related keyword ideas, which is really helpful when you're deciding whether a keyword is worth exploring further. You can then save any potential keywords to a keyword list with a click of a star. This makes keyword research feel much more natural because you can investigate terms as you come across them instead of trying to remember them later. And as a handy bonus, there's one extra way people often miss using the shortcut button. If you're on a search results page on another marketplace, for example Amazon, you can click the shortcut button there too. eRank will take the search term and open it in the Keyword Explorer for that platform if we have data. It's a quick way to get a sense of broader interest around a keyword without having to manually copy and paste anything. This can be a really handy addition when you're researching ideas or checking demand beyond Etsy. The shortcut button works best when you use it as part of your normal browsing rather than setting aside a separate research session. It's especially useful when you're checking out competitor shops browsing listings for inspiration, or exploring new keywords on Etsy, or spotting something interesting while you're casually searching. Instead of bookmarking things or telling yourself you'll look them up later, you can get the information you need immediately while it's still fresh. Over time, this makes research feel lighter and more consistent because it fits naturally into what you're already doing. And once you get into the habit, the shortcut button becomes one of those tools you don't really need to think about. It's just there when you need it. If you haven't installed it yet, you'll find it under the Tools menu in your eRank account. And if you want more tips on competitor research, listing reviews, or keyword tools, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel because we've got loads more amazing videos coming very soon.